In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show or hide specific report types on the Waze navigation app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Waze and select the hamburger icon up at the top left, select the settings gear button, and then you want to go and select, if you scroll down a little bit on here, go underneath where it says alerts and reports, and then select where it says reports. So it says choose which reports you can see and how they appear. You can select any of these items in here. So for example, if you want to show cameras, you can select cameras, and you can select where you want to show or not show on your map by selecting that respective item in here. And you can check mark or toggle show on map on or off. If it's toggled to the right, it means it's on. If it's grayed out, it means it's turned off. You can do that for any of the items listed in here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.